thing that you want to do is go to csfirst.com, and it's cs-first.com, as you can see here in the address bar, and go ahead and hit enter. And I'm going to go ahead and sign out because that's the screen that you're going to see when you log on to the website. And so now what you want to do is go to Students Try Now, the yellow button, and these are representative of different modules, right? So a series of lessons, and the lessons that we're going to go through in the coding club are storytelling first, and then we're going to go to, I'm not sure which one. Oh, right, storytelling, then social media, and then game design. And these get progressively more challenging, right? So storytelling is the beginner level, social media is medium, and then game design, it's intermediate advanced, and it could be advanced depending on what kind of game your son decides to create at the end of the lessons. So I'm going to go ahead and click on storytelling, and we have a set of activities 1 to 8, and I'm going to go ahead and click on activity number 1. There's a video here that he's going to watch, right? And this is the same in all of the lessons, so you go ahead and watch the video, and then during the video they're going to say go ahead and click this link to get started, and that's a very common theme that's going to happen over and over in the videos. So I'm going to go ahead and click the link. That takes me here, and this is Scratch. This is the platform that was built by MIT that uses block programming, and that's what we're going to be using to build our programs. Go ahead and click on Create. Right? Oh, I'm sorry. Let me go back one. And so here he needs to join Scratch, and that's going to take him to this screen where he creates a username and a password, confirms the password, and goes through these steps here. And so once he has that and he can log in, then you would go ahead and click on Create. And of course, we're going to be joining Scratch and creating a password and login so that your son can save all of his work as he progresses through Scratch. And so we go ahead and click on Create when that's done. And I believe if I go ahead and click back on CS First, that the instructions for this first section is to create a sign-in, right? And then click on the green arrow. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to go ahead and do that, right? Go to next, and then I'm going to go to the second page of this first lesson by clicking next. And watch this video. And the instructions here are going to end with your son, testing out different programming blocks, and also to program a story for the Scratch Cat. Right? And so this here is the Scratch Cat, and this here are all of the different programming blocks. And the programming blocks start with the green flag. And to run the programming blocks that you put here, you hit the green flag. And you can notice when I hit the green flag, nothing happens because I have not put any coding blocks underneath the green flag. But if I go to motion and I say move 10 steps, then turn 15 degrees, then move 10 steps, and you can see how they just click into place. And then I hit the green flag, then it's going to take those, it's going to execute those instructions, which is going to eventually get him to run in a circle. And so that will go ahead and get him started. And I'm sorry that your son, is not eligible for this first session. I'm sorry, this second session of the coding club. But hopefully we can get him in during the third session. And in the meantime, if he has a burning desire to explore computer science, this is a very user-friendly platform where if he has any questions, go ahead and email me, and I'll attend to any of his needs.